What's the meaning of Brillo pad? Brillo pad. Brillo pad.
Brillo pad. Brillo pad. Brillo pad refers to a type of scouring pad used for cleaning surfaces, typically made from steel wool or synthetic fibers. When used, it produces a rough abrasive action that is effective at removing stubborn stains and dirt. The result of using a Brillo pad is a cleaner surface, as it can effectively scrub away dirt and grime that regular cleaning methods might struggle with. However, care should be taken when using Brillo pads on delicate surfaces, as the abrasive action may cause scratching or other damage.